Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS pagination example. Okay, so we'll study about this. What is pagination in CSS? So if you have a website with lot of pages, you may wish to add some sort of pagination in your each. So how to create that? So first, inside the body, I will just mention the div tag. I have given the class name as a pagination, and now I will provide one anchor tag here. Okay. So inside this anchor tag, what is going to happen? I will provide one link, or you can say I will just write one word over there. Okay, fine. After writing, then I will copy each and every word that is available. Fine. After that, I'm just creating pages over here. So how to create that page? I'm just giving you example. So let me just copy paste and I will provide few examples. I will just change the name of that text and then I will provide few names. Okay. After writing all the details, I will provide 2 to 3 details and it will help me to provide the different kind of pages. So just for example, these are the pages that I have provided. So you just need to know how will I create these pages first. So I'm just writing. What is the meaning of the first anchor tag I have mentioned, that is ampersand LAQ? That means that the first letter you understood, that is what the meaning of the first letter that I have provided. So that is how you can create the pagination. So first let me style this particular page and I will tell you how to style this page first. Okay. So after that, I will just write the class name pagination that I have mentioned in the div class. And then I will just mention few styling displays. So first I will just write the display, that is the inline block. It should be in the inline block. Okay. And then we are going to mention for the A. What in case of the A, I will mention the color, what color it should be. I will provide the float. Float should be of left. And the padding I will provide for this. The padding should be of 8 pixel. And then I will also provide 16 or 17 pixel for that. Yeah, 17 pixel is okay. And then I'm going to write text decoration. So it should be none, though no text decoration should be available. So we'll just first save this particular file and then we'll run this code again. So now everything is proper. Now on screen you can see that it is looking like a pagination now. That is how you can shift to different pages. Fine. Now I have to style some more things to make it more attractive. Fine. So in that case, what is going to happen? I will just write transition. And in case of the transition, I will just provide background, color, and then I'm going to write what kind of color I want. So for example, the background color should be changed. So in that case, I will just mention 0.9 second. Okay. So once you'll move the cursor, the color will change. What kind of color you want? So in that case, I have to provide the pagination, and then I will write dot pagination A. These are the numbers, and then hover effect. What kind of color it should change, I should mention in the hover effect. Then only we'll be able to understand, right, how to do that. So background color, you will just mention what kind of background color you want. So just let me just write light green or light blue. Okay, so light blue I mentioned here. Let me reload it. Once I'm moving this particular cursor over there, now on screen you can see that the color is changing like this. So that is how you can create the pagination and their hover effects. So these are one of the method how can you create it. There are few kinds of other methods also you can provide it. So in that case, the first things you understand how to create all these things. There are few more things we are going to work on, so it will help us to understand how to do that. Okay. So here I'm also going to provide the border. Border I'm going to provide here. So what kind of border you want to provide, that kind of border you can provide. So I will just write 2 pixel dashed, and then if you want any color you can write it. So I will provide light blue. Fine. So I want a dashed one. So now on screen you can see that these are now this file is looking so enhanced and so much better than the last one. So that is how you can give the more features to your particular file, and how you can create as many pages as you want to, and you can make it the pagination for that particular page. So it will be easy for you to shift to the another page that are available. So let me just provide the margin for this particular page. So it will help me to give the margin. Now everything is okay. The margin is provided, and all the different numbers are of different are their own margins. So that is how you can provide the margin. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.